Hi students. So in this video I want to teach about the Playfair cipher encryption algorithm. So it is little bit complex compared to the previous algorithms because it contains uh, some conditions, constraints. So it seems to be difficult, right? Okay, I will explain up to with a little bit examples for your understanding. Okay, so before going to the implementation part, I I want to tell the algorithm related things about the play for cipher algorithm. Okay, so the algorithm consists of two steps. While during the encryption and decryption, there are some methodologies has to be followed. Okay, we will see step by step. Okay, so the first process is generating the key square. So the key has to be generated. Likewise, we will see we already watched about the Hill cipher. No, likewise, here a key square has to be generated. Actually, it is in the form of 5 cross 5 matrix. Okay, 5 cross 5 grid is nothing but the matrix, right? So the key square is a 5 cross 5 grid, um, 5 cross 5 grid. Okay, so nothing but a 5 cross 5 grid, and it acts as a key for encryption in the plain text. So we can use this key square as a one of the vector, and we need to multiply this with the we use these for producing the ciphertext. Actually, it is similar to that of what Vignier cipher, right? There are a big plain text to ciphertext combinations we match diagonally, and the matching point will be taken as a ciphertext. No, likewise only here some constraints. Okay, so the key square is 5 cross 5 grid of alphabets and keep as a key for encrypting the plain text. So 25 alphabet must be unique and one letter alphabet is omitted from the table. So because of the 5 cross 5 cross 5 is 25. So our alphabet is 26. So here is nothing but the I and J. For J will be J is eliminated. So instead of J, only I will be there in the that one box. Ith box will consist of I and J. So for convenience, J is eliminated. So J is replaced by I. That is the issues. That is the one conditions. Okay. So the initial alphabet. So actually, for if you see the example, you will understand what I am telling. So the key, you see, the key is monarchy. Okay. If I want to write, if I take key as monarchy, MONARCHY, I have I enter like this. Thus the entries are I actually I individually I eliminate the spaces, and you can write anything else in the key. Okay, the first step is to eliminate the spaces. The spaces is eliminated, and the text will only be taken. Okay, so how in the 5 cross 5 matrix, 5 cross 5 grid, the character is one by one entered. MONARCHY, monarchy. After that, the remaining alphabets will be entered from left to right. Okay, for example, B, A is already there, so I entered B. C is already there, so I entered D. E, F, G, H. H is already in the first in the previous, so I enter I. J I don't need to enter. J, K, L, M, N. So I didn't enter M N O because here it is already has M N O. So M N O will be eliminated. Up to Z, up to the end of the letter, we will enter. If whatever if we encounter something which is in the previous boxes, that letter will be eliminated and the another letter will be placed in that position. Okay, the first step is this. Okay, so after that, so we need to enter the plain text. So encrypt. So what how to encrypt the plain text? So after getting the plain text from the user, we need to split into letters. We can split the plain text into two letters, two strings. Okay, so that is termed as digraphs. Okay, right. So if there is odd number of letters, that is added to the last letter. So if it is not, if any the whole plain text, it is in the length is, if it is in the odd position, it is in the odd length, then it should be in even, so we can add z at the end of the position. That is the term. So here instruments is a plain text, so IN ST RU ME NT is splitted, S remains single, so I add, so Z is added at the last letter. Okay, so likewise the encryption takes place. Okay, so now the encryption starts. Even this is the preliminary methodologies. After that, the rule, what is the rule? They, for encryption, they are following some rules. The algorithm developer developed some rules. If both the letter on the same position, take the letter below each one. Actually, if in the boxes, in the grid 5 cross 5 grid, if I encountered ME, if I take, for example, take ME, for ME, M is here, E is here, both are in the same column. It is in the same, M is in the same column, E is also in the same column. So what we will put for M and E, what it is behind, one step behind, down the M and down the E will be replaced. For M we can put C as a ciphertext, for E we put L as ciphertext. C, M, C, E, L. Okay, okay. So this is the encrypted text. So this is one type. If the plain text individual character is in the same column, this step will be followed. If it is in the, for example, likewise I told no, that is will be entered here. If the both the letters are in the same row, if the number is in the same row, for example, take ST. If you take ST, S is in S, see, S is in the row 1, first row, second row, third row, fourth row. S is in the fourth row, L is also in the fourth row. If we encounter like this, the rule says take the letter to the right of the each one. Take the letter to the right of the each one is nothing but we just replace S. We can replace S by T. It is right to T, and L and T. T means what? T is also in the same. So T right means if we put right, then it will reach us this time. This only fold. If we fold like this, the T, the next letter to T is L. Likewise, that's circular motion. So S will be replaced by T and T will be replaced by L. So the two strings are termed as digraph. Okay, so if there are some methodologies. Okay, if something it is not in that pattern, if it is not in the row or not in the same column, then we do like this. For example, take NT. If you take NT, N is in this row and T is in the another row. T is in the different row. Okay, so what we shall do? We shall do like this. The diagonal term will be entered. If N T. So which term connects N and T? R, and N T, which connects N and T? Q. So N will be replaced by R, T will be replaced by Q. So N will be replaced by R, T will be replaced by Q. Okay, so this is like the encryption is taken. So it is in the same row, same column. Otherwise, if it is not in the same row and not in the same column, the diagonal, the meeting part will be like this. The Wigner, we see already in the Wigner cipher, no, that meeting point will be diagonal meeting point will be taken as a ciphertext. This is how the thing is working. Okay, so likewise the instruments will be converted as GAT LMZ like that. Okay, so likewise the encryption takes. We see the encryption part. So by the constraints given, the plain text will be replaced like this. So it is given diagrammatically. See it is given in the diagrammatical sections. Okay, what I told is in that here only you can just slow by, you can mute and just hold and just see the video, you can understand. Okay, right. This is what about encryption. The decryption is same like encryption. It is nothing but the reversing the thing, reversing the whole thing. How? Okay, how means receiver has the same key, that is the receiver has the same key and can create a same key table, then decrypt any messages using the key. So the same thing, but use plain text in ciphertext in place of plain text. How? The same 5x5 matrix, like the key is monarchy, ciphertext we took the key as key and monarchy, and the key already known as monarchy, and ciphertext we previously got through encryption. That term will be taken. After taken, generate the same key square table using 5x5 matrix. Likewise, we already told the same thing, but with the reverse operation. So what reverse operation? So while decryption, the same thing, we split into two strings, and it takes it as digraph. Okay, and digraph, but the condition is only if both the letters are in the same column. If it is in the same column, in the previous during encryption, what we will did, we entered the below term. Now we will enter the above term. That's all. So through in the encryption, if it is in the same column, what we enter is the next to below, the down to that letter will be entered as a ciphertext. Here above the letter will be entered as a ciphertext. For C, M will be entered. For L, E will be entered. Likewise, for C, M will be entered. For L, E will be entered. Okay, understood? Likewise, in the same column, we entered the right side, immediate right term will be replaced. Now what? Immediate left will be replaced. See here, take the letter left to each one. So the left to each one will be replaced. So T will be replaced by S, L will be replaced by T. Other T will be replaced by S, LB will be replaced by T. That's reverse, the reverse thing. We are doing just reverse operations. Okay, that is reverse assigning. Okay, that thing is here. So if neither of the above rules is true, what we will do, we replace the diagonal part. No, likewise the same thing, from the rectangle with the two letters, and take the letters on the horizontal opposite corner of the rectangle. So the same thing. So here R and Q, the straight to the Q and R is entered, and straight to the R, N is entered. It is straight to the Q, N is entered. The reverse operation. Okay, so this is what decryption takes place. The operation is clearly mentioned here. Okay. So we will move. So here we will move to the implementation part. So here the implementation part. So implementing play for cipher. How the play for cipher works? So in the implementation part, see the header file. After getting the string.h or header file, so the function generally we will go according to the control flow. So the the main function is here. So here, see, the main function is here. So in the main function we are going to get the string as an input and key as input. What key to be encrypted is defaultly initially declared here. So monarchy. So it is printed. Okay. So next the string, next plain text. What are the plain text is also yearly entered here only. So the plain text will be printed as an output. Okay, the initial plain text from the user. So now the encryption starts. So the encrypt by play fair cipher function is called. It consists of string, function and key. So this function is called, where this function is, so this function will calling the function goes to the function call. So the function call is here. So this function is called. Okay, so here the plain text, the key are taken as a input variable, okay, in the matrix form, because it is a 5x5 matrix, no, so only 5x5 multidimensional matrix will be the array will be taken. Okay, so for key, the key length of the key is first we want to know the length of the key, because after knowing the length of the key only, what we will do, we need to fill the 5x5 grid, no, so we need to know the length of the key. After that the spaces will be removed. So remove spaces of key, the length of the key, string length will be termed as ks. So the key comma length of the key, so we need to remove the spaces, nothing but the individual. If the key in the example we gave only monarchy, but in some cases the key may contains 2 words, so that time the key can, the spaces, empty spaces can be removed, so only it suits in the 5x5 grid, no, so the remove spaces function will be called. So the remove spaces function will be called, the function call takes place. Where is the remove space function? So remove space function is here. So it is the remove space function. Okay, so the functions are removed here. So how it removes? It just enters, it eliminates the empty character, it only prints the character other than empty character, nothing but that's all. It counts and prints the only the character encountered, the empty character is eliminated, that's all. Okay, the for loop iterates until iterates for only it is not equal to empty. See, if it is equal to empty, if not equal to empty means only the plain text is printed, otherwise it is not printed. So that is what happening here. So the remove spaces returns the individual letters without empty spaces. Okay, so after that returns the value, that remove spaces returns the values, that value will comes here, where in this place. So it removes the spaces and return as ks. So the returned individual character key spaces will be removed, will be stored in the ks variable. So the ks variable will be to low, it is lower case. So we can convert the uppercase letter into lower case. For conveniency, the uppercase letter will be converted into lower case letter. So for that the lower case function will be called. So the lower space function is in here. So lower case means it converts the uppercase letter, it converts any uppercase letters into lower case letters. So the code is, it is universal code. So this function converts any uppercase letters into lowercase letters. So the lowercase letters are returned here. Okay, so the again returned here. So the lowercase letters are again here. So again lowercase letters are returned here. Okay, returned here, sorry, here. After that that return, that string will be stored in the name of okay, returned here. After that the plain text what we entered during the starting monarchy, sorry, that is a key, and the instruments, that length has to be found, and that also to be lowercase. After lowercase, what the remove there also the remove empty spaces is removed. Okay, so after that the prepare function is called. Okay, so what the prepare function is, what the prepare function is nothing but eliminating the I. Okay, so here function to make the plain text length to be even. So why is prepare function? The prepare function is for plain text length to be even, because if it is even, only, what it fixes in the, if it is even only, it has to be easily, what it easily decrypted. I already mentioned above. No, if it is not even, then again, if it is not even, we can say, we can split into two parts digraphs. If it is not even, we can add z. No, that is thing only told, mentioned here. If it is not, it is divided by modulo 2. After modulo 2, it is not equal to 0. That is, modulo 2 mentions the even number of length. Okay, if it is not 0, z will be added. That's all. So it is returned. Okay, so after that, it is returned here. Okay, so if it is returned, again the key generate key table. So after that, the key table is generated. That is what the 5x5 matrix is generated. We are preparing for the encryption. So key table is generated. The function is called, the key table function is called, where the function is here. Okay, generate key table function. So after this generate key table function, what the key table function consists of, what 5x5 matrix. No, so to store the alphabet is, this is the input variable, and the alphabet is stored. Actually, it is stored. How it is stored? It is stored in the form of individually, in the form of first stores the key value. After that, the remaining value will be stored. No, that part will be mentioned here. Okay, so that so this code shows the substitution of alphabetic letters in the 5x5 grid. Okay, so it has to be frequently stored one by one. After that, see, so it is frequently stored one by one. Okay, so after storage, that value will also be returned here. After returning, what function is called? Encrypt function is called. So what encryption takes place? So encryption takes place. How the encryption? I already mentioned about the what thing. Here, see the encryption part. How the encryption takes place? Encryption is nothing but the containing the three conditions. That is, it is in the same row, same column, neither row nor column means what? I mentioned above. No, that thing happens. So that encryption part is taking place here. So the individual matrix value even ith and j's position is frequently be analyzed, and it is compared, and if it is in the same row, the below I value, j value is incremented parallelly. Okay, so after that if it is in the another column, the next to right position is added, ith j's position is added. If it is in different column, the column vector takes place. Okay, so that encryption methodology is explained here. Okay, I already mentioned in the algorithm. No, so that is what here. Actually, it is a pure mathematical formulas we can write, and after writing the term, the function will iterates. Okay, so this is what happened. Okay, so it is in the 5x5 grid, so the mod 5 is using here. Okay, so after returning the encryption, so here the function returns the value, the plain text is, the cipher text is entered here, and the value is returned. Okay, so while during this encryption, the value has to be search takes place. So further, the separate search function is here. So the search is nothing but finding the key value with the array value. So if it is j, if j comes, it will be replaced by I. For another j comes, it will be replaced. I think that term will be tackled here. Okay, so I already mentioned the above related to the encryption. No, so have you understood, right? So likewise, see monarchy plain text instrument, the ciphertext is here. The same reverse operation is for decryption. So in the decryption, the same thing happens. What? So it is an header file, and again where we will move to the function call. So in the function main, the same, it is equally to the same to like encryption. The key is monarchy, the key text. Before the plain text is taken, now the ciphertext is taken. So here it is a this is a ciphertext. After encryption, the plain text the plain text is entered. So now the decrypt play for cipher function is called. Likewise, the encrypt function is called. Here the function is called the function executes. It takes the plain text key. It takes the plain text is nothing but the plain text is an ciphertext. See, that thing is taken. The length is found. The spaces. Likewise, the remove spaces. The spaces are removed, and it will be converted into lowercase letters. And again, the plain text and cipher, plain text and keys also the length will be found, and the remove spaces are removed, and it is lowercase, and the key is generated. After when the key is generated, it will be converted into digraphs. After digraphs, key is generated, and it will be, see here. So key is generated, and it will be placed in the 5x5 grid. Okay, so it is individually placed like the encryption. Okay, so and for searching and for encryption, this thing search for the digraph. So the search, during search operation, the comparison of two individual digraphs. So for digraphs only we are taking the we are converting that plain text into ciphertext. No, so digraph will the operations of digraph is happening here. The below the same row, same column, the individual neither row nor column conditions will be tackled here. Okay, so the decryption, this is about decryption. So this is about decryption, the search key, and we can do modulus 5 operations for encryption for 5x5 grid, and so that thing happens. This is 5x5 grid. So the after the substitution, it is reversed to the encryption. What I told in the encryption, it is again reversed. Okay, so after that the ciphertext is retrieved. Likewise, actually even we will take the same as monarchy and plain text, and after the key substitution tables we will again get deciphered text. After that, it is in the not in the E1, it is in the E1, so that will be eliminated. So the original ciphertext plain text we will got after the processing. So this is about play for cipher. So it is little bit tough compared to the other algorithms, because we will do multiple in the 5x5 we will apply some constraints so that it feels to be tough. Okay, so this is about play for cipher encryption. Okay, thank you.